And now I'd like to introduce our Chief Technology Officer, Lars Reger in Hamburg. Lars?
Hi, Paul. Big thanks for the kind words, and to you and the team, big congratulations. As Kurt said prior, I'd wish that I could be with you in sunny Chandler, in spite of staying here in rainy Hamburg, and celebrate this very, very special day with you. The opening of, as I guess, the best GaN fab on the planet. I'm super excited because this is also portfolio-wise and technology-wise for us, for NXP, a huge quantum leap. It's a great milestone to achieve. The GaN products in 5G will be the next booster for 5G rollout, not only by the efficiency, but also by data rate, frequency band. So truly, truly instrumental to seeing GaN products driving the 5G adoption in the infrastructure. So with that, adding to our NXP portfolio, having a great new industrial footprint, having such a great capability for connecting the world in our hands is, of course, a fantastic topic. Plus, what I think we can bring to the industry is we can look into our toolbox and take, for example, automotive ways of approaching quality, our advanced ways of designing products and simulating, all into the capabilities of our GaN products. And with that, I hope that we really move the needle in the market. All the best to you and the team. I hope I can be, as soon as COVID lets me, with you in Chandler and real time in analog on the ground, celebrate the GaN fab opening with you. Until then, all the best. Enjoy this day. And again, big congratulations from my side.